She disappeared for weeks, maybe months. No calls, no effort, no warmth. You finally started convincing yourself it was over. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, her name lights up your phone again. A message, a reaction to your story, a casual hey, and for a second, your chest tightens because part of you still wanted her to come back. But something feels different now. Cold, careful, distant. You felt it immediately, didn't you? The energy changed. She came back, but she didn't come back fully. And now your mind starts spiraling. Should you pull closer? Should you give her space? Is she confused, playing games, testing you, or already halfway gone again? Most men completely destroy attraction at this stage without realizing it. The moment she returns, they panic emotionally. They rush for clarity, reassurance, certainty, and ironically, that pressure is exactly what pushes her away a second time. What almost nobody tells you is that distance after reconnecting usually means something far deeper is happening beneath the surface. In fact, the final reason women do this is the one that keeps men emotionally trapped for months, replaying every interaction in their heads, wondering what they missed. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why she returned, why she pulled back, and how emotionally grounded men handle it. Here's the part most men completely misunderstand. When a woman comes back acting distant, it rarely means she feels nothing. In fact, the opposite is usually true. Emotional indifference is quiet, clean, and final. But distance mixed with reappearance, that's emotional conflict. And female psychology is deeply driven by emotional conflict. See, women often reconnect before they fully process what they actually feel. One part of her misses your presence. Another part remembers the pain, confusion, or emotional instability from before. And another part is silently watching to see whether reconnecting with you feels emotionally safe this time. This is happening beneath the surface, often without her consciously understanding it herself. That's why her behavior feels inconsistent. One day she seems warm, interested, almost emotionally available again. Then suddenly she pulls back, takes hours to reply, or acts emotionally guarded. Most men interpret this as manipulation or loss of attraction, but many times it's simply emotional temperature mismatch. She is reconnecting emotionally slower than you are. Nobody teaches men this. Men usually reconnect logically. If she comes back, they assume the emotional door is fully open again. But women reconnect emotionally in layers. Their nervous system has to trust the emotional environment before their feelings fully resurface. And this is exactly where attraction either survives or dies. Because while she is cautiously trying to understand her emotions, most men become reactive. They start overanalyzing every text, seeking reassurance, forcing conversations about where this is going. They try to eliminate uncertainty immediately because uncertainty makes them uncomfortable. But emotional pressure is the fastest way to make a conflicted woman retreat again. The truth is, her distance is often less dangerous than your reaction to it. And the men who understand that are usually the ones who quietly rebuild attraction while everyone else pushes it away. The first sign is subtle, but once you see it, you can never unsee it. She comes back into your world, but only halfway. She watches your stories again. She responds to messages. Maybe she even starts small conversations that seem random or unnecessary. On the surface, it looks like reconnection. But emotionally, she keeps one foot near the exit the entire time. You notice it immediately. Her replies are shorter than they used to be. Some days she feels warm and engaged, then suddenly cold again for no clear reason. She laughs, but carefully, flirts, but lightly, retreats, opens up emotionally, then quickly pulls herself back. It feels controlled, almost like she is monitoring how close she allows herself to get. And this is where most men spiral. The second they sense emotional distance, they panic internally. You start reading every message twice. You wonder if another guy is involved. You try to figure out whether she still cares. And without realizing it, your energy changes completely. Now you're chasing reassurance instead of connection. You text more, you push for clarity, you subtly try to force emotional certainty before she is emotionally ready to give it. But what you don't realize is that her distance is often self-protection, not rejection. A woman who truly feels nothing usually disappears quietly, but a woman who returns while staying emotionally guarded is often trying to manage her own emotions carefully. Part of her wants connection. Another part is terrified of falling back into the same emotional chaos she experienced before, and the moment she feels pressure, her nervous system associates you with emotional instability again. This is why non-reactive masculine energy matters so much here. Calmness becomes attractive. Emotional patience becomes powerful. Instead of chasing certainty, grounded men allow space for emotions to unfold naturally. They stop trying to control the outcome, and ironically, that emotional stability is often what makes her slowly lower her guard again. Here's something most men never realize. A lot of women come back, not because all attraction disappeared, but because curiosity reopened. Something pulled her attention back toward you. Maybe she missed your presence. Maybe she wondered if walking away was a mistake. Maybe she noticed you becoming emotionally calmer, more focused, harder to read. But when she returns, she is not only reconnecting, she is observing. This happens almost entirely beneath the surface. She starts subconsciously asking questions she may never say out loud. Has he actually changed? Is he still emotionally needy? Does his entire mood still depend on me? If I become inconsistent again, will he lose control of himself emotionally? And this is why her behavior suddenly feels confusing. She replies warmly one day, then disappears for hours the next. She reconnects emotionally, then suddenly becomes colder for no obvious reason. Sometimes she even brings up old arguments or subtle emotional wounds you thought were already buried, not because she wants drama, but because she is studying your emotional reactions in real time. Can you remain grounded under uncertainty, or do you immediately collapse back into old patterns? Most men fail right here. The moment she becomes emotionally inconsistent again, they panic, their composure disappears, they become reactive, needy, desperate for reassurance. Suddenly, every delayed reply feels like rejection, every emotional shift feels catastrophic, and without realizing it, they confirm her deepest fear: nothing actually changed. But emotionally grounded men respond differently. They don't become cold, they don't play games, they simply remain emotionally centered. They understand that attraction cannot grow inside emotional pressure and instability. So instead of forcing certainty, they stay calm enough to let the connection breathe. And that emotional self-control is far more powerful than most men understand. Because women remember how a man makes them feel during emotional uncertainty. Any man can appear confident when everything feels secure. But the man who remains composed when emotions become unclear, when tension appears, when outcomes feel uncertain, becomes emotionally unforgettable. That kind of calmness creates psychological safety. And psychological safety is often what slowly transforms curiosity back into attraction. Not chasing, not convincing, not emotional overreaction, just quiet emotional strength most people no longer know how to maintain. Sometimes the distance has nothing to do with losing feelings. Sometimes it has everything to do with remembering pain, and this is the part most men completely underestimate. When a woman comes back into your life acting emotionally cautious, she may not be fighting attraction, she may be fighting memory, because emotional memory is incredibly powerful. A woman can miss you deeply and still fear reconnecting with you at the exact same time. Part of her remembers the laughter, the chemistry, the emotional closeness, but another part remembers disappointment, emotional inconsistency, feeling unseen, feeling anxious, feeling like she lost herself emotionally, trying to hold the connection together. And when those memories still exist beneath the surface, her nervous system becomes protective. This is why she reconnects slowly, carefully, one step forward, one step back. Not because she enjoys confusion, but because vulnerability now feels dangerous to her. She wants connection, but she also fears emotional dependence. She fears reopening something that once hurt her. She fears giving access to someone who might destabilize her emotionally all over again. And here is the mistake emotionally reactive men make without realizing it. The moment she pulls back slightly, they recreate the exact emotional environment that pushed her away before. They become impatient, demanding, emotionally unpredictable. Suddenly, every interaction feels heavy again. Every conversation becomes about reassurance, clarity, pressure, or emotional tension. And her nervous system immediately recognizes the pattern, because she is not only reacting to who you are now, she is reacting to how you once made her feel. That sentence changes everything when you truly understand it. Attraction is emotional, but trust is neurological. Trust is built when someone consistently feels emotionally safe around you over time, not through promises, not through intense speeches, not through convincing words at 2 in the morning, through emotional stability, through consistency, through calmness during moments that used to create chaos. When a woman starts feeling that your energy no longer drains her emotionally, something shifts inside her slowly. Her guard lowers naturally. Conversations become softer. Warmth returns without force, not because you pressured her into reconnecting, but because your presence stopped feeling emotionally dangerous. And ironically, that is what many women are truly searching for when they return. Not perfection, not performance, just a man mature enough to create peace instead of emotional turbulence. Now we get to the mistake that destroys more second chances than almost anything else. The moment she comes back, the man becomes emotionally overwhelmed. He tells himself he's just being caring, attentive, intentional, but underneath all of it is panic. Panic that she might disappear again. Panic that he could lose the opportunity. Panic that if he does not secure the connection immediately, everything will collapse. And that fear completely changes his behavior. Suddenly, he is texting constantly, replying instantly every single time, trying to force emotional clarity after only a few conversations. He wants labels, certainty, reassurance, emotional guarantees. He starts acting emotionally available 24 hours a day because he believes more effort will rebuild the connection faster. But emotionally, it creates the exact opposite effect. Because the moment a woman feels emotional pressure after reconnecting, her nervous system starts pulling away again. Not always consciously. Sometimes she cannot even explain why her attraction suddenly weakens. She just knows the connection started feeling emotionally heavy again, instead of emotionally safe. And this is the hard truth most men resist hearing. Attraction does not grow through pressure. It grows through emotional safety. A woman reconnects emotionally when she feels calm around you, not when she feels responsible for managing your anxiety, your expectations, or your fear of losing her. The more emotionally desperate a man becomes, the more unstable the emotional environment feels, and emotional instability quietly kills attraction over time. This is why emotionally grounded men move differently. They slow down instead of speeding up. They observe actions instead of obsessing over words. They allow the connection to reveal itself naturally instead of trying to control every outcome. Most importantly, they maintain their own purpose, routines, goals, friendships, and emotional independence while reconnecting. That energy changes everything. Because emotional restraint is not weakness, it is power. It is the ability to remain centered without forcing, chasing, or collapsing emotionally every time uncertainty appears. Weak men try to secure love immediately because uncertainty terrifies them. Grounded men understand that real connection cannot be rushed, controlled, or pressured into existence. And ironically, the less desperate you become for certainty, the safer she starts feeling emotionally around you. That is when attraction slowly begins breathing again, instead of suffocating under pressure. So if there's one thing you take away from this entire conversation, let it be this. When a woman comes back acting distant, your job is not to chase reassurance. Your job is to remain emotionally grounded while the connection reveals what it truly is. Because emotionally reactive men always make the same mistake. They treat uncertainty like an emergency. The second her energy changes, they panic, overthink, chase, pressure, and emotionally collapse trying to regain control. And without realizing it, they recreate the exact emotional instability that destroys attraction in the first place. But emotionally stable men move differently. They understand that attraction often returns slowly, not instantly. They know emotional trust rebuilds in layers. They stop obsessing over every delayed text, every mood shift, every moment of distance. Instead of trying to force clarity, they focus on becoming emotionally stronger, calmer, and more centered within themselves. And that changes the entire dynamic, because the man who stays calm in emotional uncertainty becomes impossible to manipulate. He no longer loses himself trying to decode every mixed signal. He no longer needs constant reassurance to feel valuable. His emotional state stops depending on another person's temporary inconsistency. That kind of grounded energy is rare now, and rare energy becomes unforgettable. Ironically, when you stop chasing emotional certainty so desperately, women often start feeling safer around you again. Conversations become natural. Attraction has space to breathe. Connection starts rebuilding without force because your presence no longer feels emotionally demanding. This is the shift most men never make. They spend years chasing answers from women instead of building emotional control within themselves. But once you master that control, something changes permanently. You stop chasing clarity and start becoming the kind of man women emotionally return to. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to the channel right now, because the next lesson is going to reveal the subtle signs she still has deep feelings for you, even when she pretends she doesn't. And once you understand those signals, you'll start seeing female behavior in a completely different way forever.